I'm burning this leftover, or not leftover, but it's all the short, crappy pieces from this cabin slash utility grade flooring I bought. A lot of waste with it, but it burns good. Belly flop. Is your tail bothering you, buddy? Is your tail spying on you? Tell it not to spy on you. She wants a walk. We better take her for a walk.
Oops, that was probably more than half. She had a small breakfast.
Oh, buddy, you're right in front of the camera.
Ooh, very, very durable.
I feel like they have beanbag material in them.
Oh, God, those are nice. Damn, Mom. She's so sweet. Oh, yeah.
It's not heavy. Oh. You can get her pillow. Buddy, what's your pillow? Here you go. Maybe that's just you wanted. What are we gonna do with this thing?
Huh?
Stick it in. Hold it in there. It should have holes pre. Oh well.
Do you want to make me a cup of tea while you're up?
Yeah, sure.
Whoop. Sweet. Has a brush, a scooper. How do I do it?
Like so.
This one. This one.
No, that's not screwed.
I mean, I have it matched up, but it's not.
This allows space.
So I think we want poker on one side. We're drinking green bean water with soggy biscuits.
Yeah.
Perfect.
B, that's hot. Oh, it's hot. No. No. I can literally see it burning. She's trying to touch it. She wants to eat it.
I told you she would. Whoop. All right. Still trying to figure out like configuration, but this chair definitely. Oh yeah, that's nice. Nice to have a real chair.
And we got the rocker in the corner that we can pull out. Yeah, and we'll get something to replace that
Camp chair.
that thing, the camp chair,
Someday.
someday.
Poco.
I'd love to do my own take on that Ikea chair. You know, make something like it, but without that dorky wood and stuff, and those metal fasteners. You know, do it with joinery. Oh, buddy, you wanna go play in the snow? It's snowing out. It's been really warm for like 2 weeks. Now it's cold. Buddy, stop. Camera's not gonna hurt you. Hey, you're ruining my video, Beatrice. Yeah, I like that. I really don't think couches are practical for this size of space.
I know.
Angry dogs notwithstanding. What's your problem, buddy? Everything you could possibly want except for our attention. That's what she wants.
IKEA chair in our bedroom. Rocker in that corner. Love seat here. And we just bring this out
When we need it.
when we need
For
it.
company. Yeah, that's perfect.
Because I think a love seat's gonna take up, a love seat and a coffee table's gonna feel full. And then you flank the rocker in that corner when you're not using it.
Me?
Yeah, you.
You're the one who put all the stuff together.
You're the one that lured me down here to put me to work.
This is dinner. Rutt's Chicken, Fremont, Ohio. A veces mi trabajo no es fácil. That's pretty cool. I can just come up here and that'll be handy on muddy days. so out here we started right where that pipe was, right in between those 3 pipes. So let's take a look at what we got done. These are a lot of time-consuming cuts going up against that roof line there. That's just, there's no way around it. It just takes a long time. Let's go up the ladder. And then on this side, I was this one with this weird knot is about where I was. So I had gone under that little window and then stopped at the edge of the solar panel. And so we got basically up. These 45s aren't too bad because they're easy to cut, and up here, and I'm actually having trouble reaching over there to move the ladder. This whole side doesn't look that great, but you don't really see it. So yeah, we started in between those 2 pipes right above. We were right above the little one when we started today. So anyway, let's check out the view while we're up here. It's kind of hard to see right now. So we got this kind of set up in here. We got this chair built. We got this cushion put on here. What else did we do? Oh yeah, we got that firewood thing. We need to bring in some firewood, but burn it all. Nothing's new in the bedroom. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got this red hutch here. That's their temp. I don't know where we're gonna put that. Eventually probably have to move that, but got it there for now. It's nice to have a little extra storage. I like that thing. And then we also got another coat of paint in here, and it's hard to tell. It looks almost the same as the primer. So we got 1 coat of primer and 1 coat of alabaster in here. Kind of have to look at it with the wood in the same frame, otherwise it just looks like white. Let's check out the floor here. So we'll have some trim above there. But anyway. Yeah, well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. I haven't been making too many videos because I don't have much noteworthy to report. I've been working on the shop building mostly, and it's just repetitive. It's like the shingle equivalent of the shop. It's just like finishing drywall and just stuff that's not that interesting. But I will make another video on that soon. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time.